I'm Santa Barbara Baker, and I'm showing you how to make my homemade pizza dough. Tonight, we're gonna mix up our pre-ferment. You wanna do this 12 to 24 hours ahead of making your pizza dough. Tonight, we're gonna be making a Poolish. That's a type of pre-ferment. You may have heard that term along with the term biga. That's a drier form. Why are we using a pre-ferment? I like using a pre-ferment when I'm not using the sourdough method. I feel like it brings a little more flavor to the dough. And around Santa Barbara Baker, that's what we like. We like flavor. What do you need to get your pre-ferment started? All you need, 100 grams of bread flour. Weigh it out. Always weigh your shit. It's super important. 100 grams of water. I like using filtered water. This is just room temp. Yeast. I have some instant dry yeast here. All you need for my recipe is just a little tiny bit compared to sometimes what you see. For the Poolish, you even need just a little, the smallest bit ever. I'm not even weighing this. I don't have a jeweler scale, but it just is a pinch. It goes directly into our 100 grams of water here, and you can just stir it around with your finger. I'm not worrying about it too much. It should be all good. I'm just seeing it, let it dissolve a little bit. I'm gonna dump this directly right into my 100 grams of bread flour. Get this all mixed up. I'm finishing up mixing up my Poolish. You can do this with a spoon or just with your hands. Once you have all that flour and water incorporated, get it covered up tightly and into the dough neck. By the dough neck, I mean a nice cozy spot for your pre-ferment to hang out overnight. See you in the morning where we'll come back, take a look at this. It should look nice, maybe a little bubbly, a bit like wallpaper paste. Hope you get some rest. See you in the morning. One love.